This 95-year-old woman, Ash, is the fifth resident to die from the Dorothy Henderson Lodge in Sydney's northwest. Now, we've seen a cluster of cases in this particular aged care facility since the beginning of this crisis here in New South Wales. Her death brings the state's toll to 9 people, the nation's toll to 20. We've also seen an increase in the numbers here in New South Wales on a daily basis. We've had 150 new and confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. This is a spike from the numbers we've seen over the last few days. Yesterday it was 114. However, we were warned yesterday that these numbers could spike, and that's indeed what's happened. And as health authorities now work to contact trace for all of these latest cases, the federal government and New South Wales authorities are trying to move along a number of cruise ships still lingering off the New South Wales coast. One of them left last night. The Sun Princess decided to depart the New South Wales waters. However, there are still 5 remaining the government is trying to move along. New South Wales Police Commissioner Mick Fuller says that the owners of these cruise ships are cooperating with authorities.
The Navy shouldn't be involved. We're having really good conversations with the owners of these ships. There's 3 different sort of principal parties. The Sun Princess left White Bay last night, and it's on its way north out of New South Wales waters. It's a good resolution. We're working with 5 other cruise ships for a sensible resolution. We have taken more Australians off these ships since we met yesterday morning. We have done another couple of medical evacuations based on advice from doctors.
Around 10 people have been removed from the various ships in the last 24 hours for health reasons. However, police say that it's simply too risky to let thousands of people off onto our shores.
And I think there's a big difference to opening up, 5,000 to 10,000 people into our hospital system that we've been trying to protect, that people have made big sacrifices for. People have lost their jobs protecting the spread of the virus. The health system is ramped up. It's all about protecting those ICU beds with ventilators for the New South Wales people.
And as for Australians returning from overseas, a further 700 will land at Sydney's International Airport today. Ash, they will be processed. They will then be taken and escorted to their hotels where they will be in quarantine for the next 2 weeks. So a very strict process here in New South Wales to ensure the spread of this virus is stopped or at least slowed down. And as I mentioned, we've got that 9th death here and a spike in the cases as well. So a lot happening in relation to this particular virus here in New South Wales today.